Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are going to discuss inductance. So inductance is a ability of a circuit to fight change in current. So it is different from the resistance. Resistance only opposes the current, but it opposes change in current. So if current increases in the circuit, it tries to decrease. If current decreases in the circuit, then it tries to increase the current. So it tries to maintain the current in the circuit. So for example, we have a coil. For example, this is loop 1 and we have second loop. We have two loops and we pass current across this first loop I1, for example. So it will produce magnetic field in the second coil. So this will produce B1 here. This B1 is due to the current, steady current that we pass across this coil, first coil, and this coil has certain surface. This is the surface area of second coil. For example, that is dA2. So there will be flux across this surface that will be given by phi. For example, flux across this is phi 2, that will be given by B1 field produced by the first coil and dA2 area of this coil, and the magnetic field that is produced here is given by Biot-Savart law, that is B1 equal to mu naught over 4 pi IDL cross R over R square. So from this we come to conclusion that if phi 2 is directly proportional to B1 and B1 is directly proportional to current, so we can write phi 2 is directly proportional to I1 current across the first coil. So if there is large current, then there will be large flux across this surface. So we say that phi 2 is directly proportional to current in the first coil. So this can be written as, if we remove proportionality sign, this is mutual inductance that only depends on geometry of the coils. Geometry of the coils means their sizes of the both coils and shapes of both coils and their relative position. And for example, now we change current across first coil. So if we change current across first coil, then this flux will also change across the second coil, because magnetic field will change across the second coil. So there, according to Faraday law, there will be an induced EMF across the second loop. So if we change current across this, so that EMF is given by, that is induced EMF across second coil, that is minus d phi by dt. So we know that value of flux is given by this formula. So if we put here, then minus M21, and that will become di 1 over dt. So change in current induces EMF in the second coil. So here, if we pass that same current across this coil, so same flux will be induced in the first coil. So mutual inductance depends on the both coil. So it is same for the both. So M21 is equal to M12, or we can write as simple M. So here when we change current across this first coil, not only it induces EMF in the second coil, but it induces EMF in the same coil. This is a source coil. So EMF is also induced in this coil. So similarly, we can write also formula for this. B is magnetic field is directly proportional to current across this coil. So we can similarly write formula flux across first coil as Li, current across this first coil. So here L is self inductance. So here L means an inductance that is due to the EMF that is induced in the first coil. Okay. So we call also this EMF as a back EMF. So we can write formula for this again, because an EMF is induced in first coil too. Then we can write by Faraday law, that is EMF in first coil is minus d phi by dt, and we can write it as minus L di by dt. So this negative sign always shows the direction that rate of change of current and EMF are in opposite direction. So we call it as a back EMF. So inductance is always positive quantity. It is always like capacitance. It is an intrinsic quantity. It is always positive quantity. And it is similar to the mass is in mechanical system. As you have large mass, it is hard to change the velocity of mass. And here it is also similar that if a circuit has large inductance means it is hard to change the current. Change current across that circuit. Unit of self inductance or inductance is Henry. And 1 Henry is equal to volt second upon ampere. You can find from the formula by this formula.